For your safety, please remain seated and please keep those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside a boat at all times. Also, parents, please supervise those little ones so our story doesn't take any unexpected turns. As you can see, our story begins through the jaws of Monstro. Monstro the Whale is the same whale that swallowed Pinocchio first, but don't you worry. You're going to see that where Monstro's tail ends. Our will begin. Sexy welcome you all to Storybook Land.
And there we go.
And our first story tonight will be the tale of the big bad wolf who lives in its cave coming up on our left-hand side. Those three little pigs live safely on our right, and homes in a strong 1 meter 6, 1 meter 100%, wolf on our right-hand side. And just around the river bend, things will take a strange turn. On the left, we'll see where Alice got a little too curious, and she followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. And she went down, down, down to Wonderland on the left-hand side. And to your right is London Park, where Peter Pan and Tinker Mouse picked up their three darling children over this park on their way to Neverland, where they never ever have to grow up. And up ahead is the magical enchanted city of about where Aladdin and Jasmine's first met in the street market down below. Thankfully they did have a friendly genie to help them defeat Jafar. And now the two live happily ever after in this Sultan's palace across the hill. And our first story tonight will be the tale of the big bad wolf who happens to live in this cave on our left of it. If you look above you, you'll see the exact same archways that Aladdin and Jasmine were able to fly over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride to share a whole new world. And up ahead is the unbelievable sight of the Cave of Wonders, where Aladdin obtained Genie's answer gave him those three wishes, where each and every one of you can close your eyes and wish whatever your heart desires inside. Coming up on your right-hand side is the cozy forest cottage where Snow White and the 7 dwarfs live. Alright, the 7 dwarfs allowed Snow White to stay there and thanks to their kindness. If you could show here the 7 dwarfs, how's that work? I run away. And to your left is where Cinderella wished to go to the ball. When her evil stepmother forbade her from going, her fairy godmother granted her wish. The clock struck 12, the coach turned back at their pumpkin on our left-hand side. Even though magic had its limits, true love did not. And Prince Charming was so able to find Cinderella thanks to the grasshopper she left behind. And coming up on your left is the giant Patrick Coach. This is inspired by the 1933 17 cartoon Lullaby Land. All of these kinds of sentiments are in fact real. I don't ever grow up and change him if I think about. And the nearest edition of Storybook Land is Rapunzel's Tower on our left-hand side, where Rapunzel spends all of her time wondering when would her life begin. It wasn't until Flynn Rider made his way to the top that Rapunzel had the courage to leave for an adventure that helped her and Flynn see the light coming up on our left-hand side. This is the tale of the Wanderers so long. For this episode, all era altogether many adventures. And as I get to the mountain top, where you'll find the ice castle that Queen Elsa made on our left-hand side in the kingdom of Arendelle. Is where sisters Anna and Elsa discovered that they are less can overcome any magic for first. And to your right-hand side is the all-time village where Geppetto created Pinocchio, and where Pinocchio was putting on a real-life course. And I wish about his guide adventures, but only after surviving last world, just like we did earlier. And on your left is wandering with him, trading post and Sana, where he is having that big summer blowout. And to your right is the town near the reef where Little Mermaid Ariel, which to his own part of our world. Here we go, and exploring travel happily ever after defeating our spot on our right. And to your left, the first city of the day in Chicago, where all of her adventures started. And she may not deal with this without two takeaways for her life. Just like our first song, Story of the Fine or Chapter. These Monstro fans aren't the singers, they approach the dock. Everyone aboard remains seated on so far. I count 3 feet so down when I have to take a trip under the sea. Thank you all for have a great rest of your night at Disneyland.